Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by lifting the vehicle safely and supporting the axle. This is non-negotiable. Once raised, remove debris and visually confirm the C-clip orientation so you know how it returns. Use needle nose or snap ring pliers to get initial purchase. Angle the tool tip under the clip lip and pry gently because sudden force bends the axle groove. You'll feel resistance. Breathe and reposition the pliers rather than yank. Make sure to wear safety glasses. Small clips can spring away fast. Once the clip lip is accessible, stabilize the axle so the shaft cannot spin away. Either have an assistant hold the hub or use a strap. Then push the inner bearing or slide the shaft inward a fraction to expose the clip groove fully and place the pliers on the clip edge. Use a small flat screwdriver as a fulcrum if needed. Pry outward in a controlled motion. You want gradual movement so the clip unhooks rather than snaps. This prevents damage to the groove and shaft. After removal or replacement, position the C-clip in its groove and compress evenly until it snaps into place. Check by rotating the axle slowly to confirm no binding. If the clip resists, clean the groove of grime and use a light lubricant. Do not force a bent or rusty clip because it won't hold. If a clip is lost or deformed, replace with an OEM or equal spec immediately because a failed clip can cause axle disengagement and major damage. Replace rather than gamble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.